did all
But I don't think it'll affect it because
had no need to fight. Fucked and drank all night. I did all alone. Had no need to fight. Tonight.
God damn. All out of nowhere. They're just hibernating back here. Check out the place. Makes the Cobra look puny. Oh, dude, but that's sick. The wheels, like, that thing's just clean.
This makes your tires look small.
For real. What the? Dude, look at these cars, bro. Cobra right here.
I like the color on this one.
Yeah, it's just clean. Holy shit. I actually take that back. This one's a Whipple, so no.
Oh shit, it's Whipple.
Yeah.
Well, has big ass supercharger.
Oh yeah, their stuff's real nice. We've been using it for almost 20 years. We anti-seize them, and then we press them on in the press real slowly, and then it's good to go. This was a used one I found online, but it's cherry. Yeah, that's a 4-valve car there. That's a 96
All
4-valve
motor?
car that we're doing. Yeah, that's
You gonna do that one?
everything.
Hopefully, soon. Damn, 4GT, SVT Cobra, Audi R8. Has some nice HREs.
Damn.
Yeah. Pilot Super Sports or what? Yeah, so this place is, I guess, near us, and I never even knew about it, but the place is crazy. They have R8, 4GT, another 4GT being built. And I'll probably take my car here now because Abraham had to get his supercharger pulley fixed and everything. We'll talk more about that later. So it's getting fixed right now. We're gonna drop off the supercharger at Ford because the Shelby is still down. And then once that is good and all finished with, the Shelby should be back in about 2 days, hopefully. And should be all good.
There's a couple of our cars there.
Thank you.
And yeah, you just call me, you need anything. And get yours broken in, Abraham. Put some miles on it, Bubba. And then we'll put a smaller pulley on it. We'll do a tune on that thing.
Sure.
And we'll put it on the dyno.
How many miles did you say? Or
I'd like you to put maybe 500 on, get the rings seated, do one oil change on it.
Put the supercharger in the back.
Wow, this thing's nice, bud.
Thank you, yeah.
Right on. I've always liked these cars. These things are really cool.
I have a porta blower chilling at home right now. I need to install it, but it's a little dirty. But I'm ready for more power. I'm getting tired of.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just like I've gotten used to it so much.
Do we see a Whipple in your future?
That's what I want to do.
How much is a Whipple for 5200?
On that one.
Is it worth buying it?
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, because like if we could go to a 200AX, like a 3.3 on that thing.
Okay.
Probably about 17 pounds of boost, and yeah, we can make a lot of power at the tire on that thing.
How much do you think will be?
That kit's probably around $7,000 or so, somewhere in there. I could look it up though for sure and find out.
I heard Whipple was making their Gen 5 blower or something, so we'll see when the time comes.
They got some new rotor stuff. Yeah. In fact, this little Audi here is getting a 2.9 Whipple on it.
No way.
Yeah,
That's
doing
crazy.
SS 2.9 long tube headers, exhaust.
Alex, you don't have anything there?
That's good.
There's something on my mind sooner.
Me or you? Me. Yeah, that place.
Right? And out of nowhere too, right?
I mean, especially if he's working on some 4G.
Well, he said that one came from the Bay Area. That's crazy.
Yeah, so that dude,
That's like
Is it? You see right there?
Yeah, we'll just go around to it.
Damn, so we just dropped off the supercharger. We're gonna see how the Shelby's doing. They'll let us go in, right? For the most part.
still a puzzle.
God damn, I can't see nothing.
It's all put in.
The gas right there. God damn. It was hella dirty.
Man, all the oil on it that leaked out.
Oh, from the day?
When I went there, yeah.
Steam right here?
Steam right there.
But I don't think it'll affect it because that's just the crown that's bent right there because this rib is what matters.
Oh, yeah.
You kind of get what I'm saying? Like,
the next day. Goddamn. It is a lot louder. Yeah. Yeah, the courses will sound nice.
Oh yeah, no, the course.
Sun Joe.
Dude, the Sun Joe is like cool and all, but alright. Anyways, what's up guys? So you smell it?
No, I was about to sneeze. Alright. Sorry. Go ahead.
So today we are actually giving some love to the 3-valve. You guys don't really see that much on the channel, but it needs some love. So we did a full wheel decontamination and we're gonna give it a nice foam bath. You guys don't see it that much, but I thought I'd show you guys a little bit about detailing the 3-valve because when the Cobra came along, you know, the Cobra was like the brand new like child when it was born, you know?
Yep.
And you know, I had to show all the attention to that, but I definitely have to take care of the 3-valve, so definitely cleans up nice.
Yeah, it's a nice little snow right there.
Yeah, it's definitely
Shaving
thick.
cream?
That's thick right there.
That's how we like them.
For real.
We gotta do some more cinematics, dude.
Definitely needed a wash.
Yeah, it was looking a little dusty, to be honest.
Cobra is gonna be last, and then we have the 2-valve to wash right now. So we're using a Sun Joe pressure washer right now. It works really good.
I love mine.
Hell yeah. We surprised the homeboy with one. Yeah, he was like, yo, is that my grandson over there? Yeah, but me and Ish are cleaning the cars right now. And we're still making the cars look all pretty. The Cobra's up next, and hopefully we meet up with Abraham and some of the squad. Chris is still coming back, but the 2-valve is getting all sauced up. And then the Cobra will be up next, and yeah. Caught in the wild, dude. What the hell is this thing?
Crikey, look at the size of this.
Dude, this thing's about to go. Is it not doing anything?
Oh shit.
That's like a whole ass like. That's like a bird, dude.
Look at this one.
Oh, what the?
He's probably pissed off. That's probably her boyfriend or something. Well, that's his girlfriend.
What the heck?
Well, what's this fool doing?
Dude, that thing got some mass on it. Bruhs, look at this, bruh. What the? Oh my god. Alright, what's up guys? So we got my boy Jim next to us. And we're actually all headed, we have like a few cars, right? TC, the 2-valve, and then we got an RS Camaro. We're just showing you guys what the night brings. Hopefully something good happens, and we'll catch you guys, and we'll show you guys what happens. Sounds good though.
Yeah. Oh, there's Ivy. Found us, huh? Hey, crackhead.
Check out. Watch one kid, you know? Did you get my nuts? So you're from Texas?
you're
Yeah,
here.
last time you were
I love
here.
my whole family.
Yeah.
That's why I'm watching movies.
Oh,
It's pretty.
A little dirty right now, but he gave me the. He had all the paperwork.
certificate.
Yeah, I have the certificate. Hey, those when you buy a car from any kind of government or anything, they're legit. They are everything. They have all the paperwork, everything.
Is that the tweak?
Is that Oxford white?
What you done to yours?
I just have a smaller pulley, basically full bolt-on except block tubes. So everything, throttle body, intake, tune, exhaust. I'm ready for more power. You know, I don't know. Do you want to like add some more power? You like
I've
it?
already had it for a couple weeks, probably like a month.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Yeah. It's hella dirty, but gets the job done. Upgraded the heat exchanger. Shelby. He had his tires just sitting around because he was going to slap some on his mock. He never used them, so I was like, you know what? I'll give you my OEMs for now, and then because I didn't have any use for the OEMs, so he gave me the slicks. Because I'm pretty sure the slicks were like a few $100 a piece. I couldn't even hook in first gear in my other tires, and these hook like every gear now. Abraham pulled up in the bike. Hey, give him like HH Racing Squad, guys. I smell some corn.
Probably up Blackstone.
Can I get a cut?
Probably beat the M2. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
You don't want it, smell it.
Your lights?
I had my fogs.
You're too bright.
Too bright, you know? I just get used to that. Is that M2?
Yeah.
God damn. Get used to it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so me and Tyson are gonna end off the video right there. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed. I think the best part was being surprised that Abraham brought out the bike, because that was pretty sick. He never brings out the bike. So that was sick. I hope you guys enjoyed. The Cobra's running really good. It's really cold right now. Temps are really nice. And I'm just excited for summer. We got 4 days left of school. And I'm gonna just start making as much content as I can for the channel. So if you guys are interested and like this content, please consider liking and subscribing. Hit the post notification bell, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.